Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create motivational shorts and TikTok videos using Canva templates. First, go to canva.com and create an account or login. Then, click on the left side of the screen where it says Templates. Pick a template that suits your needs. We'll just choose a social media TikTok template. Click on Customize Template once you've picked one. You can change the speed and length of the video here. To edit the template, just click the text and add whatever you'd like. You can also change the font and size of each template. I could have just grouped these together to move them, but too late now. To change the background video, just click the Elements tab on the left. You can type in what you're looking for or just scroll through to find videos. Select the video you'd like, click on it, then right-click to see the Replace Background button. You can also add music to the background if you'd like by clicking the Audio tab on the left side of the screen. To save and download your finished product, click the Share button at the top of the screen, then click Download. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.